Hello and welcome to the Arlovsky Consulting GBR. My name is Alexander Arlovsky. I am CEO of this company, and today I want to present to you my company. My company offers different types of services, like for example software development, quality assurance. We have even consultants with experience in game development. They know about Unity 3D, Unreal and other game engines. And we can even help you to create your own game engine. Furthermore, we offer services in SAP, Oracle, Odoo, Microsoft Dynamics 365. And what I love about my company, we specialize in requirements engineering and our additional new areas of expertise, things like IT consulting for fiber optics installation projects. And of course, we help smaller organizations like startups to do their planning, to roll out their products, and we do it in very fast and efficient way. So here are examples of our work. This is work in Unity 3D. This was prototype project, a game for strategy, like you have the civilization like type of game where you can move your units and build cities. Another project was proof of concept that it is possible to do simple projects in Unreal game engine, and you are watching actually the screenshot from one of our prototypes. Then we have experience in programming in Java Enterprise, and you see like an example one of the unit tests for one of our like dojo projects, like workshop project stuff, because we actually offer workshops too. Then here an example of my particular project which I created during one of my workshops. That was presentation of C# WPF UI, Windows UI. Very interesting project. The main idea was like to create an app which allow job applicants to manage their activities, to generate reports, to look into data, look for duplicate data, and actually it is available on Windows Store. See the links below. Then one of my first JavaFX initial prototypes, and it was like many years ago, but still it is available. You can find the link in the GitHub for the GitHub repo, where you can yourself see how this project look like from the source point code of view. And what was about this project particularly interesting, this JavaFX apps can read XML structured file, and present it in nice, very user-friendly UI of Java. JavaFX, of course, in years have own problems, but nowadays you can use it too. It's very well made for the enterprise, and if you are particularly having like a Swing related project, like Java Swing UI project, maybe, and of course I think it is time to modernize your project and switch to JavaFX. And if you have any questions regarding our services or actually want to work with us, here are contact information. We will be very happy to hear your challenges, and we will provide a solution to your problem, or help modernize your project, or help to start your business, make it efficient, make it fast, and make more productive as you currently have your business. So feel free to contact us. Thank you for watching. Bye bye. Our services: bridge between Discord and Shapes. Arlovsky Consulting GBR, we creating custom bot for you, a self-host solution. This means you buy a server, you provide a server for our work, and we deploy our solution to your server. Let's see why we are doing this. This is our news from the company Shape Inc. We are not by any means, by anyhow connected to this company. So I would like just to inform you. So what happened? Discord, they disconnected and deleted around 30 million people. They deleted bots which provided services to those people, and Shape Incorporated basically were actually not happy about. And I can understand this, and I can say what Discord did to the Shape Incorporated was really bad. Even more, here they describe, Shape Incorporated describe what they actually trying to do these days and where it all going. I present to you this information to give you some sort of a background why my company Orlovsky Consulting GBR will do and provide services for the custom installation Discord bot. So basically here you can see actually one wait a second, where it was there was sent 550 plus models, and basically they are telling here like 10 million active developers were participated in the integration of the Discord board, and we were too in this process. But now what we can actually provide to you, it's all about our services. So Orlovsky Consulting GBR, we have found a solution following. We do for you service like helping for the selection of VPS. We go with you through different hosters and telling you can pick this hoster, or maybe another hoster is a better opportunity for you. After you selected a server, we install our custom Discord bot, we configure it, we provide maintenance service like additional contract obligation if you would like to do that with us. And even if you want to like have idea for your special bot that you want to have in your bot integrated, so we can actually do that for you, but this would be additional separate service. So basically you call us, say I need installation of the custom Discord bot. This is one type of service. Then if you would like to have a maintenance contract, we provide to you that. So it's like separate contracts. One contract is for the installation, one contract for the maintenance, and one contract for the further enhancements of the bot. And if you have any legal reasons to say, but what about Discord Incorporated? If I would have even some problems with my Discord account, and say I'm afraid that probably Discord will try to do the same thing to me. Okay, we can help you with that. We can gladly provide our legal services, because we have people from the legal department of our company which will provide you legal support if you have similar issues. But let me explain how our technology will work for you. So basically we use this open source solution. We already developed an enhanced version of this open source solution, but if for some reason you don't understand how it works, you can always look up the initial open source project and try for yourself, just for yourself, without our help, and see how it works for you. But basically this works like following. You deploy an application to your server which establish a connection with a Discord network, I will say Discord servers, and on another side it establishes a connection to your Shape, which is hosted by the Shapes Incorporated company. our solution or this open source solution would communicate with both sides and forward the messages from both sides. So if you ask your shape on your Discord server, give me some image or generate some image, it would ask the shape incorporated server, the shape, give me generated image, and then as a response you will receive this image, and this image will be forwarded to your Discord server. This already works 100%. If you have situation, you say I need some sort of reaction of my shape persona to the image which I provide. Okay, that works too. You send a message to the Discord server with an image as like statement, come on shape, what do you think about this image? Shape would respond, so the data will be sent to our server or to your server in your case, because we provide a self-hosted solution, and then the data will be transported to the Shapes Incorporated server, analyzed. Your shape there at the Shapes Incorporated server would send a return back message, so our server will read it and provide it to your Discord server. Why I say our server? It can be your server too. It probably say we don't host servers, we provide services. So if you have your own server, it's okay. If you want to buy a server from another company, it's okay. There are many options which you consider. But we actually, my company do not provide any hosting solutions for this kind of services. We only provide installation, maintenance service, and software development services. So by any means necessary, you will be responsible legally what you're running on your server. And as I said earlier, we have legal team which would actually help you to write your privacy policy for your Discord board and the terms of services for your Discord board. And this will be covered, and you will not get into problem with your bot with the official Discord. But one caution I would actually make, I recommend if you using such custom Discord bot, do not put your Discord bot into the public mode. That means that you must set up your Discord bot in such a way that only you allowed to install this Discord bot to any Discord server which you have access upon. So let me say it clearly. If you created a custom Discord bot, do not allow installation by other peoples. That have some security reasons and they have some legal reasons. But I need to caution you to do it right. And by means you create one custom Discord bot for your Discord server, running like that will definitely make any problems for you, because as far as Discord interested what's going on, he would see only your server. So legally the communication between Discord and your server, and that's it. Nobody care what happens where you send your data and what and how it computed on other side. But legally speaking, you say all data stored on your server and nothing else. And yeah, open source works always. Like if anyone want to make an audit, you can always provide an audit because you have source code. We don't claim any ownership of the source code, but we have our customized version. The software itself licensed under MIT license, so we're not obligated to put our source code on demand. But if you pay us for our services, you will be in such relations that you allow to use our source code for the more. It's open source model. But you pay actually for the real work, which I have mentioned previously, installation, configuration, maintenance, enhancement of this app. So if you are interested and willing to work with us, here are our communication sites, our official websites, and we will be gladly to help you. I know for many people having such Discord bot in terms of shapes very important, and it's clearly to me that many people would definitely wishing to have it back. I know for the fact that Shapes Incorporated do not like Discord because they were like, yeah, they were like um, abused by the Discord, I would say, abusing, yeah. But nevertheless, it's all right now. You can use our solution and have similar or actually 100% same experience with what we can provide to you. So do not hesitate and contact us, contact Orlovsky Consulting GBR, and thank you for watching. Bye bye.